Hey guys, Anthony, 4B4 Adventures, mod number, what mod number is this? 20 and 21. Let's take this handle off, please, Mitch. I think you did this 2 years ago, didn't you? Careful, get your finger down there. Mate, you're rough, mate. You need to, oh, you got like, oh, you nearly hit the roof with a screwdriver. Look, because you're holding the screwdriver there. All right, the other side, thanks, mate, good work. Oh my God, oh no. I always hold the screwdriver closer to the end to do a job like that so you don't scratch it. You got to, yeah, that's it, beautiful. Sort of get in there, you just hold the end of the screwdriver, you know, that's nice and close, gently, that's it. All right, cool, and then get the impact driver there, it's on the floor. Gently put that on and see, is it on reverse? Press the trigger a little bit and just see if it goes backwards. No, wrong way, press the other side. That's it, mate, beautiful. Gently put that there and unzip those out of there. That's it, get the other side and the whole thing will fall off, I reckon. Careful, don't hit anything with that big heavy tool, mate. Alright, handles off. Alright, put the tool down and, whoa, hey, there it is, it fell down here somewhere. Anyway, we'll find it. All the screws stay in here, don't they? Because there's little washers or something holding them in there, maybe. Anyway, we're putting in the Kaon Lite cargo barrier and the cargo barrier. And we've got a couple of videos on this already on one of our channels. But it's going to be a bit different to what we did the first time because this is already assembled in one piece. Might as well get this one off before we go and have a look at that. Gently at the side, mate, go at the side, a little bit more at the side. Yeah, that's it, at the side, that's what they're designed for, a little bit at the side. That'll do the job though, beautiful. Learning, getting better, that's it. Once you're in the crack, you can give it a bit of a push. So put the screwdriver down now and just use your fingers to open it up a little bit while you hold the tool on it. That big bad boy impact driver, mate. 10-year-olds using impact drivers, I don't know about this. Beautiful, that'll do. Hey, the bolt came out that time, just put him down here, beautiful. And then, alright, so simple stuff, beautiful. Good catch this time. Okay, let's go and have a look what we got to put in. So this is what we got left of the storage system, all right? We've got to obviously slip the fridges and the drawer out and to put that in, but before we put this in, because we've got the wires there now, we need to consume the 2 slabs of Coronas. No. We need to, so we've got the cargo barrier. This is the cargo barrier, but this is as it came off with the shelf already. I'm going to try and, I've got a camera in one hand. That's how light it is actually. Pick that up one hand, all right, just bring that up into position. All right, so you can see what happens here. Normally you would just mount these handles and then you bolt this up later with the thumb screws, right? And we're going to assume the car's exactly the same size. I'm not loosening any of this off because I didn't when I took it off. So we're just going to sit it all position, obviously this end facing forward, and hopefully it all just lines up perfectly. Otherwise we just got to loosen off a few bolts and get it all to square up again, whatever. So yeah, normally you would just take the handles and put the handles back over the top there. To be quite honest, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some M6 bolts and some flat body washers, and I'm going to put those in here and get rid of the handles, because the handles, they're just here, they don't take much space, but they take a little bit of space. So what I'm going to do is replace the handles with bolts, because I'm not chasing good looks. It's a GX, there's not even any seats in the back. Why would I ever need handles there? So we're just going to save a bit more space for storage up the top here by putting some, so there's your little tip. So this could be hard to get in position and video it, so we'll probably just sit in position, get the bolts started, and come back. So we're just preparing the actual bolts I'm using. These are when we do water pumps on the 1KDs. The front and the back section of the water pump comes with a bolt. I reckon they're perfect length, right? And obviously decent quality. So we've got 4 of those. I think there's 3 new ones and 1 recycled, because we normally put the new one on the car and keep the old one. But every now and then, obviously, we keep the new one because, yeah, like I said, doesn't it, Mish? Looks like what, 2 or 3 new ones. Anyway, M6 bolts, standard sort of threads, and M6 body washers. They've got a 6mm hole in the middle, but it's got a large body on it, which is why it's called a body washer, and that'll give more support, spread the load for that light cargo barrier. Right, so here we are with the Australian made, Australian owned, Australian design. So we just got it in a loose position. So the standard fit up is to put the handles over the top. But see, we've just used those. You know, it's just loose at the moment. We just pushed it up there. So all we're going to do now is push it up and get those nice and firm. Again, not over tightening them, just nicely. And this is all rock solid. So that's our storage shelf up the top there. Mod number 20, and the cargo barrier. Mod number 21, so 21 and 22, let's tighten it up. So we've just nipped it up a little bit. We decided not to make it tight because we've got to put the storage system in and get all this area here to line up with the back of the storage system in the original mounting holes and stuff like that. So yeah, it's bloody solid, I tell you. This, you know, I mean, it's solid. There's good storage up there that, believe it or not, when you look in the rear view, you can't even see this. It's the view in the mirror is all below this, so this is just wasted space you're using by putting this up there. That's why I like it. I just put all the light stuff up there, jackets, pillows, hats, dunny rolls, whatever you like. But look, it just gave us a little bit more room by having those body washers instead of the handles in the back of the spacious GX. As I said, mod number 20 and 21 together combined, and combined price, I think it's about 550 bucks. I can't remember, it was a couple of years ago. But I reckon the combined price, $550, which will, common sense says it's worth at least that. So, and Kaon stuff, it's really, considering it's Australian made and all that, it's just too cheap. It's too good for value for money. Anyway, short video, guys. Kaon cargo barrier and Lite storage shelf. Can't even speak properly. Anyway, we'll give it a bit more adjustment once we get our storage system in. Thanks for watching. See ya.